getting so many requests on how to do this big braid tutorial, and it's really not a braid at all. It's actually a lot easier than a braid. It takes about the same time, but the result is bigger. All you need are some hair ties. I like the clear hair ties, tiny ones like this. But if you have brunette hair, the black or brown ones look a little bit better for this particular look. Alright, so you just start by doing a ponytail, and you can do this in, you know, two, like a pigtail type style or just one big braid. So you tie it like a normal ponytail. And then what you do next is you take two pieces from like behind your hair, if that makes sense. So just two pretty thick pieces from the back. Like this, and then you put them in the front. And then you just tie that little section. So it looks like this. And then you just do that the whole way down. Just take sections from behind. Tie it off. So obviously this is not the final look. The biggest part of this tutorial and about this braid is that the fluffing out of the braid is the biggest part of the whole thing, and the way that the ponytails are like arranged allows you to pull out a lot of hair, so it looks really big. When you get to the bottom, there's kind of these two separate pieces that happen, so I just like to tie them together at the end, just so they're one unit. And now it is time to just fluff out the braids. And you just fluff them out. Just kind of pull them out. This is supposed to look kind of messy and big, so just don't be afraid to really get in there. That is it. That is all this big braid takes. I know it looks like a braid, but as you can see, it actually is not. You just kind of have to tie your hair in a certain way and then just really pull it out. This is so easy, and if you're not a great braider, that's okay. You don't need to be. This tutorial can work for you, and it takes, I think, less time than a braid, and also taking it out is the bigger issue here. It's definitely a little bit more difficult than if you were to just take out a braid, but again, it doesn't take a super long time, and it just kind of, you know, falls out as you just take each little link out. I have added a ribbon to the bottom of this. But you can do one braid like this. You can do two braids, one in the back, half up, whatever you please. I really love this style. I've been wearing it a lot. And so yeah, I hope you like it too, and I'm really excited about it because I've gotten so many questions about it. So here it is, and hopefully you rock it and love it.
It was a Thursday, I was late, met you at a cafe down on Elliston. You were such a gentleman, I was nervous all around.